Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your AirPods 4 are charged and signed into the same Apple ID, otherwise tracking won't work. Open the Find My app on your iPhone or iPad, then go to Devices. Once there, tap your AirPods 4 entry to reveal the last known location on the map and immediate actions. Make sure Bluetooth and location services are enabled. This lets the app pull real-time position if one bud is online. Now proceed to active locating. You'll use Play Sound first. Tap it to make a connected bud emit a tone. Listen closely and move toward it. If your iPhone supports precision finding, enable it for arrow and distance guidance. This gives a direction and feet measurement so you know which way to go. Once done, switch the map to satellite or hybrid view to match real-world landmarks. Follow the distance readout as you close in. If the sound stops, repeat Play Sound and scan, likely hiding spots methodically. When you find a noise source, check both bud and case. Open the case to force reconnection and confirm audio. If your AirPods 4 show offline, note the last seen timestamp and immediately retrace your steps. Check pockets, couch seams, car seats, and recent rooms. Once done, enable Notify when found so you get an alert later. If nothing appears, consider erase as a last resort. If tracking seems wrong, restart your iPhone and toggle Bluetooth and location services.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.